What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like, and I am back in this ting. Today I created this nice little cute spring summer makeup, nice and pink shimmer lids, but you really can't tell where the lid is, you know what I'm saying? Like it's there, but it's not there at the same time. It's real cute and it's real easy, so I hope you guys enjoy this nice and easy look. So if you guys want to see what I did to create this look, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, so I just did some of my edges off camera, but I want to show you guys what I'm doing and what I'm using. So I'm using the Kiss Edge Fixer. Looks like this, and then I'm using the Pump It Up Gold Spritz Spray, and this is super hold. This stuff is really good. I actually like it. I used to use it when I was in middle school to hold my hair because I used to be dancing at a performing arts school or whatever, and I used to use it to like lay my hair down so there won't be any flyaways or whatever. So this joint is really good. So I take some of the edge control on my edge brush. I got this from Kiss, and it has like a brush on one side and a comb on the other, and I'm gonna start down here. I don't want it to be too many baby hairs, so I'm gonna put some on there, and then actually just start creating a little swoop. I actually need to cut this a little bit. But my look for today is just to have some really popping edges and then straight hair. Alright, so then I take some of this spritz spray. You have to hold your head back a little bit, but just spray it on there. Just a little bit. I wasn't talking that much because that's my edges and I need them to be like perfect. So when you spray the spritz spray on it, if it's how you want it, just leave it on there and then just like touch it a little bit, like so it doesn't really move anywhere. But if it's not how you really want it to be, then you can do what I just did and just like shape it and move it into the shape that you want it to be. Alright, so now I am going to wrap my hair up so that when I do my makeup, you know, my edges won't mess up or whatever. And I'm pushing like the other hair out the way because I don't want that to be wrapped up like on the edges type of thing, you know what I'm saying? Like I just want my edges wrapped. It's always something, and it's because I'm a perfectionist. Like I need these edges to be Gucci, and then since this is straight hair, I don't really need to straighten it like a whole bunch. Like it's already straight for real. So that's why I just want to do something cute and fancy with my edges, so I'll just make the straight hair pop even more. This mask in general will help reduce your pores, and it'll also, for my oily girls and boys, it will help reduce the oil. Putting a mask on before you put your makeup on is just like a must. You wash your face, put a mask on, take it off, and then do your makeup. That should be like your routine for when you put your makeup on, because you want to have your skin nice and right before you put your makeup on. So I just took my mask off and I am going to moisturize my face using this Bobbi Brown. This is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. You guys know I love this stuff. It is so nice, especially after you just like wash your face or stuff, did your skincare routine and you're about to put your makeup on. If you're combination, if you're oily and dry, so this just helps control that, especially because I am oily in my T-zone, so I get oily a lot on my nose. Like, my nose sweats so much. At the moment, I love these two primers together. So this is the Covergirl True Blend Base Business. This is an Illuminating, and then I also use the Skin Smoothing. So I first take the Skin Smoothing, and then I'll go in on top of that with the Illuminating. And I just put Illuminating on my cheeks, my nose. This is not my nose. My chin, my nose, and my forehead. And you really want to work this into your skin. Like, work it, work it, work it. Olay, 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 olay. No, but for real, work this into your skin because it's going to fill out your pores. So you want to make sure it's really in those pores. Like, work that joint into there. This is the Illuminating Primer. Like I told you, I just take it on my chin, my forehead, my nose, and my cheeks. This you really don't have to work in too much because you kind of want it to stay glowy. So I like to take the NYX Glitter Primer and put this on my eyes and on my smile lines because I do get smile lines just a little bit. But if you haven't seen my hooded eye tutorial, definitely go look at that. I'll leave it up there in the card so you guys can check it out. And yeah, it'll also be at the end of the video, like on that little end screen or whatever. So you guys check that out after this video because I gave you guys a lot of tips on just how to create a half cut crease on hooded eyes, what you should do, what products to use, all that type of stuff. Now I'm taking the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. This is in Tahoe. I'm just squeezing a few pumps on my face. I forgot that I'm creating a Netflix and chill look, and this look just needs to be like real soft and natural and simple and quick, because when you try Netflix and chill, you know what I'm saying? Like, when you come over to Beige's house, he's gonna be like, you did all that just to come over here? No, this is just my everyday phase. What do you mean? This is what I did on an everyday basis. Yes, this foundation is everything. I'm gonna add a little bit of the Infallible Pro Glow concealer in Natural Beige, just a tad. But since I don't have any more of the NARS creamy concealer, the soft matte creamy concealer, I have to use my foundation because this is like really pale. It's like if I just blend this out, it's gonna be ghostly. I'm gonna use a little bit of my foundation and just mix that in my concealer. I use this mask by Sand and Sky, and it's their Australian pink clay mask, and it just made my nose and everything just look smooth. Like, I have no bumps on my nose. I usually have huge like bumps on my nose, like it's a lot, and I don't have that. Okay. Yay. My skin looks so clean. Oh my god. We're gonna take my little blend, this Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and this is Little Mercier Secret Brightening Powder mixed together. Y'all, like, my skin, it looks so good. Oh my god. Wow. That's how I feel right now. Like, it looks so bomb. I'm taking the Makeup Geek Contour Powder in Half Hearted, and I'm going to contour my nose and my face. Now I wipe all the powder off my face except for my eyelids. And then to do my brows, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in dark brown. And let's go ahead and do these brows. My favorite part, well, one of my favorite parts. My other favorite part is doing highlight. I love the good highlight. Alright, so I'm taking the Huda Beauty Remastered Plaid Lip. The Huda Booty, okay, Rose Gold Remastered palette. Looks like this. And I'm going to take the color Demure. And I'll probably take Sandalwood after that to just darken it up and smoke it out a little bit. But I'm going to take Demure on my Morphe M332 brush. And I'm going to put this as my transition color. Okay, so now I'm taking Sandalwood and I'm going to see how it looks on the outer corner first. And then I may bring it all over my lid. Okay, I'm going to bring it all over my lid. So I'm taking some on my blending brush. I'm just taking that over top of my hood. So now I'm taking Sandalwood and Cocoa on my Morphe M507 brush. I'm going to put this under my eye. Literally just run it under there. I'm not trying to really smoke it out for real. I just want to put some shadow under there. And then I'm going to take some of Fling on my finger and just tap that right here. So I put some of the rose gold on top of it and it just made it look so much better. So I'm just going to put that on my lid. Make it look cute. You cute, girl. You cute. So with this palette, if you don't have a brush, if you don't want to use your finger, use a brush but just spray it. Like spray your brush with some water or your setting spray or whatever you have. I think I'm just gonna line my eyes with some of this black liner by Wet n Wild. Let it dry. Gotta let it dry. Alright, so I added the Naturally Sunny lashes in Brat, and I also did a wing liner because I was just feeling a wing. So I'm gonna add some eyeliner to my waterline. And then your girl is gonna add some mascara to her bottom lashes. Alright, so I'm gonna take Bless in the Huda Beauty palette. I cannot talk. I'm gonna take Bless and Moondust in the Huda Beauty palette. I keep saying booty instead of beauty. Beauty. I'm gonna take Bless and Moondust in the Huda Beauty palette and just highlight my brow bone. Oh, and my nose. And then I'm gonna take this lip color. This is the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Infallible, and I'm gonna line my lips with this. And I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in Nude, and I'm gonna put this on the center of my lips. To set everything in place, I'm gonna take the Covergirl Lock Up, because we got a lock in this face, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna spray this all over my face. This stuff smells like peaches or something. They really have to do that right now, like right now. Anyways, I'm sorry for the noise, but they're doing something outside, so I'm just gonna put some music over top and I'm gonna just do my hair. Alright, so I changed my lashes, so I put on the Style Sunny instead of the Brat because I felt like those lashes were just too dramatic for this makeup look. Like it was just doing too much for this makeup look. So yeah, I changed it to something more wispy so you can see my eyeshadow better. And yeah, that is all I'm going to do to my makeup. Like my makeup is done, my hair is done, you know. I just did something real simple with my hair or whatever. Like I could do like a nice Kim K look and just have everything slicked back like this, but I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, that is the end of this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this nice and simple Netflix and chill everyday type of makeup look. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you like videos like this, let me know, because I like giving them to you. But if you guys don't like them, then I don't want to do it. So yeah, if you like this video, definitely like, comment down below what you want to see next. Share this video with your friends, with your sisters, with your cousins. Let them know what we just did today. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram at naturally.sunny, and I'm also on Twitter at _naturallysunny. Like, I can never just have everything the same, because somebody always has naturally sunny. So it's like, but yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.